Hey guys, what's up? So there's going to be a lot going on in this video, but first and foremost, this is an underwear review video. And also, I have to say that right as I hit record on the camera, I got a new comment that says, just try some plain old Hanes boxer briefs now that you got a winger. There ain't no need to spend that kind of money on undies. But I beg to differ. Once you spend this amount of pain and money on getting your winger, you want to have the best home for it, and that's where Separatec underwear comes in handy. So honestly, Hanes underwear does not do it. When you have a winger that is a shower and not a grower, Hanes underwear just does not work. I have tried it, trust me. So that is why I'm so particular about my underwear. And I'll be getting on to the review of this specific model of Separatec underwear in just a second, but I'm gonna do a little bit of an unboxing thing of my own product that I bought for myself because I am that cool. This is some of the merch that I purchased. There's more than the ones that I bought. There's a lot of different varieties and colors and stuff like that, but I'm also not made of money, so I can barely afford my own merch. So I understand if you can't either, but it is down below if you want to check it out. And I haven't even opened these yet. Oh, well, there's this one I got yesterday. So we'll start with that. It's already open. So I opened this. This is the Keep Going shirt, Celebrate the Journey. This is a medium. It's probably a little bit big to start for me. I probably would have gotten a small if I would have known that this was gonna be this big, but I do like them more comfortable and not super tight, so they'll probably shrink. We're gonna start the next unboxing with, this is one of the tank tops. So we're gonna see which one, I don't even remember which one I got. All right, cool. So, this is the Keep Going in the Chaos, even in the Chaos logo. It says Keep Going, and then these little like dots are actually my logo. It's hard to see though. It is kind of blurry also in the print, but it is my logo. I'll try to get, yeah, so those are all little tiny logos. I'm gonna wear this right now. Let's see what this looks like. Cool, not bad. All right, next. This is a sweatshirt. Sweet. It's way too hot for sweatshirts, but I'm gonna need one in the winter, and I really liked this design. So here is the Keep Going sweatshirt. Pretty rad. I dig it. I'll be wearing this a lot in the winter. So yeah, man, it's like Christmas. This is another tank top. I don't know which one this is. Alright. Oh, did I order 2 of these? I don't remember. I'm an idiot. Oh, it's a tank and a shirt. Okay. Okay. So this is another Keep Going t-shirt. Also medium. And it says Keep Going, and there's like a little period at the end, which is my logo. It's hard to see. Focus, no, whatever. Okay, so that's that. Awesome. And then here is the tank top in those styles. You can tell which one was my favorite because I bought more of them. So yeah, same thing, just the tank top. And yeah, that is it for that. I'm gonna move on to the underwear. But these things are available now down below in my merch store. You can see it just right below this video. Go ahead and browse around and check it out if you want to. Now, moving on to the underwear. Another good thing about Separatec is they're actually not that expensive. So someone suggesting Hanes over Separatec is kind of ridiculous because you get a lot for your money, and it's like a higher quality, but it fits properly. So, Separatec everyday underwear is what I'm currently doing a review for. I think I've done this one before, but I kind of want to do like an update review. So these go in, so you get, the idea is that you get underwear for every day of the week. So you get these little packages, and there's 7 pairs of underwear, except for, you might notice one is missing because I'm wearing it right now. But it's pretty cool because they all come in different colors. They don't say like what days of the week or whatever, but there's like red and blue, and that sort of thing. I'll pull one out just in case you're not familiar with what exactly Separatec underwear entails and why it's different from other underwear, especially Hanes. So here's the everyday underwear out of the box, and the best part about this is that it has a separate pouch, so it disconnects your junk, not in a painful way, but it takes your penis away from your balls. It allows for a little bit more airflow, not so much stinky in the summer, you know what I'm saying? A little bit more ventilation, a little bit more comfort, a little bit more support, and you're not all squished up in there. This is really important for me, especially since I am a fallow patient, so like I said, I'm a shoulder undergrower, so it keeps things in place. I'm not always like constantly like, where's my dick? Is it like all folded up weird? Is it, am I sitting on it? That sort of thing. Okay, it's not that long. So yeah, I'm gonna show you what these look like on. And my favorite aspect of these underwear is also that it's really easy to pee, because at the bottom of this pouch, you just flip it up and that's how you pee. I can't explain it without getting demonetized. So moving on, I'm just gonna strip. Is this legal? I don't know. Okay, so here is the everyday underwear in blue. I'm wearing the blue. And the best thing about these, they definitely don't ride up. The material is a little bit thicker, so it's not necessarily my most favorite if I'm wearing like pants in the summer, because it tends to like grab my pants more and I just feel a little bit stickier. But honestly, the material, it could be suitable for the gym, and it's not too thick to where you're gonna be extra hot. It's comfortable and curly. Wait, go. I swear, since getting fallow, it's like getting a magnet for your pets. They just like to punch you in the dick all the time. So, yeah, I've said this a million times before, but the pee pouch is my favorite. It's just really comfortable, and it almost feels like you're not wearing any underwear at all. And these do last a little bit longer, I've noticed, than like the Modal briefs. Those ones tend to loosen up in the washing machine, whereas these do not. These do not, the material doesn't get loose to where it starts spreading up. That is like a downside that I have noticed about the Modal Separatec underwear. So yeah, I dig it. These are my favorite. I've said that a lot. I'm gonna sit back down. So another part of this video is that I'm actually doing a giveaway. I've got 2 boxes of the Modal brief giveaway, and this is just to thank you for watching me. I never did a giveaway when I hit 20,000 subscribers, and I am just like blown away by the fact that there's 20,000 people that subscribe to me, and they probably don't watch me all the time, but hey, you subscribed at one point, so that's cool. And I want to thank you. So the few requirements that I have for this giveaway is that you have to be a size medium. I know, that sucks. Let's just say I got the wrong size, but I'm regifting these to someone who is a size medium, who really needs some underwear, or who just really wants to try out Separatec underwear. So yeah, besides being a size medium, the other requirements are that you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and then leave a comment down below and tell me why you want these underwear, and then also tell me that you're a medium so I don't like accidentally send you the wrong size and then it's just useless for everybody. So yeah, giveaway, leave a comment down below, and I think that is it for this video. Oh yeah, for the merch as well, this, woohoo, yeah. I'm doing a 40% off promo code for this month only, just in celebration of my cookbook that's coming out this month. So the promo code word is cook. So when you're checking out, if you use that for promo code, you get 40% off the merch. So that's pretty awesome. And that was a lot in one video. So thank you for watching. Hopefully it wasn't too much for you. And yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Peace out, and I'll see you next time.